Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. I have got a bomb tutorial for you guys. So many of you guys wanted to know how I get my braided ponytails, so this is the way I do it. So I really hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the tutorial. So my hair is freshly washed and I've got a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it. I will list all the products down below. So I'm going to basically push my hair into like a messy bun, but I'm just doing it so that I can apply my Eco Styler gel evenly. And then I'm going to get my brush and I'm going to brush all the product into my hair to make it nice and slick and neat. And then I'm literally just going to go back over it because I want it to be really as slick as it can get. Gonna go back over it, and then I'm literally gonna put it in my tight bun. Obviously you don't do it too tight because you want to look after your edges and just your hair. You don't want too much tension, but you want it to be nice and snug. And then I'm literally just going to get a little elastic band to make the bun really small, so obviously when I put the ponytail on it's not too difficult. So now to the exciting part. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel for my edges also. It works really well for me. Although I do think the different Eco Styler gels do different things, and I might do a video on that because I do find that they're all kind of different, but this is really good nevertheless. As you can see, my sides are a little bit thin at the moment. I used too much tension when I had a particular hairstyle, but I'm doing everything I can to make sure that my hair, or the sides of my hair, grows back. So as you can see, my edges are swoop-ty-swoop and my hair is nice and slick. I'm literally just attaching the ponytail, and yes, I'm using the BRAIDED hair. If you didn't know, BRAIDED, we sell ombre braiding hair, so make sure you get you some for the summer. It's very easy and it's beautiful. We've got so many colours. But yeah, so I've literally just braided it all the way down. I got a little elastic band to secure the ends, and I've literally just flipped it all the way over, and I'm going to use some bobby pins to secure it. And there you have it, done. That's all you need to do. Super easy, super beautiful. I'm just basically pulling it apart a little bit to make it a little bit more, natural, and there you have it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.